Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, well tonight, it's like midnight. So I decided to film a video. As you can tell, here I am. I realized that festival season is like right around the corner, and that's so exciting because festival makeup looks are my favorite makeup looks. So I'm so excited. I am going to be filming a festival makeup look. Stay tuned. I don't know what it's gonna look like yet, but we'll find out. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be going into this ColourPop palette. I wish I knew the name of it, but like there's no name on this box. It's not very helpful. But it's like the all pink one. I am going to be going into the shade right here, and I'm taking that on a Sigma E40. This is a tapered blending brush. I'm just using like a fat fluffy brush to really buff out my eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm gonna take that and I'm really gonna pull it out and then like bring it back in. Okay, I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette. I say this every time. Sorry, it's so dirty. Sorry. I'm going into Love Letter. Okay, I'm just gonna take that and like deepen this shiz up. Okay, I'm going into the shade Venetian Red. Okay, I'm going to be taking that red and deepening up my outers, my outer V. Okay, in this ColourPop palette, I am taking this shimmery pink right here. I'm gonna put it on the front half of my eyeball. I'm taking this MAC Dazzle Glass. I just got this the other day and I love it. It's in the shade Via Veneto. Okay, I'm gonna take this Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. It's not my shade, but you know, I'm just gonna use it anyways. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Okay, I'm going to contour my face. I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade in My palette. I'm going in with this middle shade. Just contour my face. I'm going in with this Milani blush. This is Romantic Rose. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Love Letter and sweep it underneath my eye. I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is White Raven. Okay, I'm gonna take this and sweep it underneath my brow. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metals liner. This is the Midnight Cowboy one. Okay, I think I'm gonna add it underneath my eyelashes too. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I did mascara obviously, and then I just put that stuff that I had on my lips, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you find this festival look very festive for the festival season. But yeah, if you like this video, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you later.